Hello guys, welcome back to my vlogs. This is your Atharva Rao. Hope you all are doing good. I'm back here with another day, another vlog. And as I record this video, it's almost sunset time. It's almost gonna get dark soon. And this vlog is specifically to show you the outside, the exteriors, the surroundings, and what's immediately outside IIM Raipur. So this video would show you what it's like just outside IIM Raipur. So as you see there, the big entrance there, the entry gate, that is the entrance to our campus, and whatever you see behind that area, that entire stretch of land from there is your campus IIM Raipur. As you can see here, they say way to Indian Management of Raipur campus, and this is how it looks like outside IIM Raipur campus. So see there about saying Cheria Strait, so that's one of the villages, that's one of the neighboring villages of Raipur city called Cheria. And you can see so much space, so much peace, nothing in sight. It's just vast land. And as we can see there now, the amazing sunset. So this is the kind of sunset views we get almost every day. I mean, this is most likely the view we would get out of our hostel balconies as well. So if you are one of those lucky dudes who gets a room by the sunset, by the space, you will see sunsets in your room. So this is how it looks like. It's around 5:15 p.m. as I record this, and it's almost sunset time. So just to give you context where exactly this comes from Raipur, as you can see this board right here, Atal Nagar. So Atal Nagar is what Naya Raipur also called as Atal Nagar. It's like a complete new township, a new city which is like completely underdeveloped, which has a huge potential. It's like vast stretches of land like this in Naya Raipur, where there's a lot of space, a lot of upcoming projects, a lot of government infrastructural projects and undertakings, quite a few corporate companies coming, quite a few of development happening right here in Raipur. So that is your Atal Nagar, the Naya Raipur. And below that you can also see that the airport is also on the other side, and the main Raipur city, that as well. So that would give you quite an understanding that our college, which is IIM Raipur, is quite at the tip or the end of Naya Raipur. It's like the last destination in Naya Raipur. So as you enter Naya Raipur, you would first find the airport, then you would find the Mantralay, which is the Vidhan Sabha of Chhattisgarh government. You would find quite some government offices, CBD, and quite some restaurants. This the new CBD railway station, which is the Naya Raipur railway station, and a lot of things. You will get triple IT, you will get quite a few colleges, and passing through all of that would be a final destination of Naya Raipur, your dream college, IIM Raipur. So furthermore, I just came a little ahead to show you more around the campus. Say hi, doggy. So as you can see this board, let me just put the frame right beside the sunset so that it looks aesthetic also. Me being me, looking for pretty frames. So there we go. As you can see guys, see there's a nearing village called Kurru, Banjari, Champaran. And another fun fact, most of the work non-teaching staff, like the people who work there, like the DJs and bhaiyas who help you with cleaning, or the chefs, and a lot of people come from right these villages, and they're very sweet people there. Genuinely helpful, sweet, innocent people. So we are quite in good terms with the surrounding villages, and all their people love stories about Raipur. And there, if you can see in the distance, there's a lake right beside our college. Many times when we have to take a break from our studies and just want to like have some me time for ourselves, we go there and just spend some quality time. You can see the lake there, right there. I'm going to zoom it more. You can see the lake, right? Sometime I will definitely walk till there and make a vlog. but right now I'm running short of time as I have to hit the gym. But yeah, this is pretty much it how it looks like around So that's pretty much it from this vlog. Hope you found this vlog informative, and please subscribe to this channel for more such related content. I'm back with content making. Yes, you heard it right. And as we end this video, I'm gonna just capture the sunset. I just thought of making this vlog for you guys. Post this, I'll be going back to the campus and I'll be hitting the gym. So very soon, catch you on the other side and probably one of the campus gym vlogs. And until then, keep working hard, keep focusing on your goals, and all the best. Keep grinding. See you on the other side.